Hello and welcome to another episode of The Virtual Investor. Today is going to be a bit of a tirade, okay? All right, now let me change the headline here. I will never, ever buy real estate in New York, not New York City, in the state of New York ever again. Every experience I've ever had with the state of New York has been an unmitigated disaster. Let's kind of jump into this example here. So a property I purchased in Auburn, New York, purchased it July 14th of 2022, finally got it under contract January with a buyer here. January 21st, 2023, we finally settled May 1st, 2023. Complete disaster. Let me give you an example. I'm going to walk through it step by step. So New York, unbelievably corrupt state, an attorney state, and not an effective attorney state like North Carolina, South Carolina, New Jersey even. Completely ineffective, slow as molasses, gets nothing done. Absolute disaster. So let me go over some of the fees I have here. Purchase this property, bank-owned property, and there is a water bill on it. Seller takes care of that, $786.97. Then I go to sell the property. Water's never been on. I have a water bill, $783.45. My attorney goes back and checks on it. The water has been off since 2018. The bank ownership never had the water on. Never should have been a water bill. For me, my ownership never had the water on. Never should have been a water bill. And here we have $1,570.42 worth of fees of bills for water that was never used. And the city doesn't want to give it back. This is why New York is so corrupt and has so many issues. And who the hell wants to buy in that crappy state ever again? Now I have an attorney fee, $1,250. Yeah, that's high, but he worked his butt off for it. Did a whole bunch of things for me. So I'm okay with that. Survey fee, why do I need a survey? $500. I guess the seller or the buyer wanted that. Comes out of the seller funds. And then abstract fees is $635. Definitely high, but hey, it is what it is. Definitely more than I pay in other states. So what I'm telling you here, New York is quite possibly the worst state in the union to do business in with real estate. If you're a real estate investor in New York, look at another market. Absolute disaster. Again, I'll say it one more time. I will never, ever buy another property in New York.